Okay, that's a gunga pea. Oh, I see him. There's the gunga peas. Here, let me get a zoom in on them here. Here they are, that's gunga peas. Gunga pea bush. Kind of looks like a tree, kind of looks like a bush. Which is it? You call it a tree or a bush? Okay, well, look at the pretty flowers on it. And there's the gunga peas. And there they are. And those cook up really nice with peas.
And that's a pigeon pea.
Although, you know, they're not quite as sweet as the black-eyed peas that you had the other day in your rice. Yeah, but the pigeon peas, or the gunga peas as they're called in Jamaica, yeah, that's a gunga pea. Well, that's interesting. I had no idea what the bush would look like, and that you just had one right on the yard over here. Yeah, so pretty. This is Buck's banana. This one, how come he's got it all covered with the leaves and stuff, I wonder? He's got it bambooed up, and over here, woo, this is steep. I didn't realize that was so steep.
That's where this sign was.
Oh, okay. There we go. Now I zoomed in on it a little bit. Okay. Very nice. Okay. There's a ackee tree right over here. The one that kind of goes every which way at the base. You know, on the bamboo that's holding up the banana tree here. But most of the ackee's been picked out of there. As soon as one opens up, somebody climbs up and grabs it. And last night I saw somebody climb up and get a whole bag for their meal. So it's really a nice place to come to get some really nice fruits. Okay, here we go. Woo, I'm scratching. Okay. Okay. The end.
Let us walk go down the road.
Got some goats over here eating away. Hi, goat. Hi, goat. Don't ram me. I'm just over here taking videos. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, flies. Flies or another goat or a dog. I see him. Maybe a dog got him. Either a dog or you can zoom in on that. Yeah. Maybe a dog got him. No, it's not a breed. Those have been bitten off. I bet a dog cornered this goat sometime or other. Yep. Or packing dogs, you know, like they do. Try to take it down. Yeah, that's what happened to that. And they're bred for their milk production.
That's what nobody here is.
No, that's not a Nubian over there. I don't know what it is. What? You got some talking to do. Oh, you can see him way over there. I can't even zoom with this camera enough to see him. Way over in the distance, yeah. There's a whole mess of them in this big pasture here. Enjoying the beautiful lush green grass. Yeah, look how their horns kind of grow together. Yeah, right together, and then they'll come out. Yeah, I think they're what they call Nubian. See how their ears are floppy too. That's what they call Nubian.
You have some ones that the ears are much bigger. What are those?
Well, they look like a bloodhound's ears, and they call Nubian. I thought. But that sun's really hitting my lens here. All right, I'm going to have to sign off because my battery is nearly ready to die. But we had a nice little nature walk today, and we checked out. We cut a pumpkin, and we saw the gunga peas, and we've been looking at the goats and what have you. So we've had a good old time today, and we'll do this more often. Later.
Donnie! dragonflies,
Yeah.
we call them needle case.
Say, spell that. Spell that. Okay. Needle case. Okay. Okay, needle case. With 2 E's, yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of them. Yeah, they're thick. I don't see none. Well, there goes your stick. Did it come down? No, it stayed in the tree. It's called a. What do you call these? June. Oh, these are
June plum. It's not June plum. It's just a Chinese plum or something.
Why are they upside down? That's good.
It's not ripe, right, you know. It's ripe, yeah. But
That's nice.
it's getting ripe, but not ripe.
It's got a little bitterness, but mostly
Mostly
mostly tanginess. Yeah. If I had picked me, I'd get a bellyache eating those.
Look at it.
Yeah. Uh-oh, he wants to go away. Ears off. Lucy, give us the story. The fire burned him. Somebody lit the goat on fire, or the pen, or what? Oh, the grass. Okay. Okay. So that's what happened. I thought I was blaming dogs for chewing his ears off. It turns out it was. Lucy, you're pretty good at getting stuff to stay in the tree. Boy, if there was money in that, you'd be rich. Okay. Even though Lucy's getting stuff stuck in the tree, he's getting more. Dragonflies. That's good. That was more ripe than the last one. Yeah, that's good. That one's not a bit tart.
You know those kind of.
Well, I should say it's tart. It's not bitter.
You know those kind of coming like American apples.
Huh?
American apples, the texture.
Yeah, it is. It's similar to America. But it's just got like a pit, like a cherry in it, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I'm down to 2% battery. So this video is going to end whether I say goodbye or not. I already said goodbye once, you know. But here we are again because we had the... Those are June plums?
No, a Chinese plum, but I put another name.
Yeah, because they didn't seem like June plums to me. But, okay. Well, we'll just keep going until the video stops, you know? Okay. We came back for an encore because the battery came back. We decided they're like crab apples. Those are little baby crab apples.
And you know you have some apples like American apples, but they are smaller.
Yeah, these are much smaller. They're like the size of a Bing cherry. They're good.